Slab Audio. It's going down in the tropic. Got my business partner. Me and Slab Movement.
That's what it is.
That's how we do it.
Alright, all day that's what it is, kid. Ah, Fat Mac. Fat Mac.
Man, I'm Joe, man. I'm from Michigan and I'm from Texas.
That's what's up.
Yeah, born in one, raised in the other. My rhyme, two-tone, blue marbles, orange wood grain.
Watch me as I glide up on them skis. Watch me when I'm riding on them D's. Watch me when I'm sliding down your street. Watch me as I'm grinding out my reed. Watch me as I'm gliding on them skis. You scoping as I chop down the whole block. Plenty boppers on my knob, but a boss will never stop. It's hard to do my job. I can't really.
Hey, ain't my way to stop. This is my family. You know what I'm saying?
New money.
We at the car show. Wayne, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We at the whole Wayne.
I'm thirsty, nigga. Give me a cup.
Wayne, baby. Check out the hood. My boy said thirst him down.
Yeah.
Check him out.
Rob's classic.
Yeah.
What? Give me a drink. Give me a drink. What's up? 10 inches?
And then 3.
Woo!
13 fucking inches. 35-inch tires or 20-inch rims.
Woo!
I want to be a little more like laid back.
Look at him. That's big, boy. That's big.
Not me, watch me, nigga. Glide down Boulevard with money on my mind. It's funny.
What's going on, man? Where you from, dog?
Bama.
Bama? Alabama, hey. Everybody part. What's going on? That's what's up. Alright. That's what's up. Las Vegas, welcome to the city.
Inside looking like. This nigga crushing niggas' living rooms with this shit, man. You know what I'm saying?
Well, all y'all motherfuckers on my page that think y'all know nothing about Cargill Vegas, y'all come and fuck with me.
Show your tag, nigga. Alright.
Come on, other boys, you know what I'm saying?
New Orleans, alright. 100% original.
On the whip, let them know I'm eating good. Had a talk with my money and got things understood. Said we want some friends, so bring them in.
Motherfucker in the dash.
Cheap shoes, I'm talking hundreds and 20s. I'm talking guns and
You see it right there, no half stepping right here.
I call these haters Warren G, cause your boy be regulating. Up in my mix, change the name to Gary Payton. Just pulled a couple boppers, yeah, they love that rim chasing. I'm driving like I'm drunk. Swerving side to side, watch your boy cross every line, steady blowing on that pine. While avoiding porcupines, cause they'll stick you every time. For a dime, open bottle, anything that they can find. I take that shit in stride though, just like some chewing gum. I pull up beside your car, got your girlfriend looking dumb. You overlooking too, like I got to get me some. The only way you kiss me again is if you stop.
Look at him.
Watch me as I'm riding on them D's. Watch me as I'm sliding down your street. Watch me as I'm grinding out my reed. Watch me as I glide up on them skis. Watch me when I'm riding on them D's. Watch me when I'm sliding down your street. Watch me as I'm grinding out my reed. Watch me as I'm gliding on